process of enrolment, you will first arrive to the campus that you've been invited to, so whether that's City Campus, Hillsborough, Peaks. You will then come to our main reception, or just outside our main reception, where someone will ask for your name and ask what time your appointment is. You will be ticked off on a list and you will be checked what status you're at in regards to your application status. Now, if you've already done your pre-enrolment, we will ask you to go straight round to our sports hall, where you'll be able to meet the teachers. They will be able to ask, you'll be able to ask any questions you have. They'll be able to tell you more about the course. They'll tell you anything else that you might need to know. You will then go through to go see our data services team, who will finalise your enrolment, make sure that you get everything from the system. Whilst you're with our teacher, whilst you're with the department, you will also be given a date for your induction day. Now, your induction day is the day where you come in, you meet your teachers, you meet your tutor mentors, you meet your classmates, you get a good feeling of the building and get a little tour around so you know where you're going. So it's always important, if they give you a piece of paper or a card with the date on it, keep it safe so that you know exactly when you're coming back in.